Utopia bedding throw pillows. The pillows are made of 100% polyester fiber fill, which makes them hypoallergenic, odorless, and machine washable. The pillows come in a pack of 2 and are available in a range of sizes, from 12 by 12 inches to 28 by 28 inches. The pillows are designed to be used as inserts for decorative pillow covers. The pillows are affordable and offer good value for money. The pillows are lightweight and easy to handle. The pillows are hypoallergenic and odorless, making them suitable for people with allergies. The pillows are not as firm as some users would like. The pillows may not be as durable as higher-end inserts. Overall, the Utopia bedding throw pillows insert is a great choice for those who want an affordable, hypoallergenic, and lightweight insert for their decorative pillow covers. Price.